Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD, Euro dollar for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. This is the 4-hour chart of Euro USD in front of us. And the last traded price of Euro USD is 1.0086. And if you have been watching my videos for the last couple of days and weeks, then hopefully you are in good profit right now because we have been doing very well when it comes to Euro USD. Okay, and as per our expectation, 1.0000 level still acting as a very strong support for the market. We have been discussing about this support for a long time because this is not a support on the chart, but this is a very critical support in terms of technicalities as well as a very strong psychological support for the market, and we saw market maintaining the support this week. Now let's try to understand what are the trading opportunities for us on the chart of Euro USD. Ta-da! As you can see that I have got many lines here on the chart. Okay, so before I proceed, I would like to take you to the chart of DXY, US dollar currency index, because if you trade on any USD pair, then you must be knowing the important levels of DXY very well, because and especially right now DXY is playing a critical role, huge role in the market. Okay, dollar is flying. Okay, dollar is flying. But yesterday, on Friday, we saw some correction on the chart of Euro dollar. If you'll remember correctly, then I have been telling you one thing very well, that whenever you'll see something like this, do not consider it as a trend reversal. Okay, these are just corrections in the market. For a proper trend reversal, we need something big, which we do not have yet. Okay, so on Monday, okay, you can expect the dollar, okay, you can expect the dollar to reverse from this particular level here. Okay, you can see that dollar is DXY is standing at the Fibonacci 23.6% retracement level here. So after the market opening, there is a possibility that market will try to take support and dollar will try to bounce from this particular level here again. In case the correction continues, the next support for DXY will be 107.45. this level. So overall we are still bullish on DXY because as of now we do not have any such information or news or any event that will bring a complete trend reversal on the chart of DXY. So DXY almost closed at the Fibonacci 23.6% retracement level. So yes, after the opening there is a possibility of DXY bouncing from here. In case it fails, then 107.45 will come to rescue. This is the overall picture of DXY. Now let's have a look at the chart of Euro dollar. And Euro USD is just the opposite. DXY closed at the Fibonacci 23.6% retracement support, and you can see that Euro USD closed at the resistance here. Moreover, at the same level we also have the 50 moving average. So dollar at support, Euro USD at resistance. So if DXY bounces from the support or reverses from the support again, continuing the trend of the market, then obviously the selling will continue, or the pressure will on Euro USD will continue again. So if it happens, if you find Euro USD coming down again from this particular level here, then again you can take a sell position. But keep in mind 1.0000 is still a very much strong support. And in case if you find some upside also, then the exact levels for Euro USD are 1.0124 to 1.0105. This is the resistance level for Euro USD. Okay, you should be having some selling opportunity around this level. So if you find any price rejection from above like this, or if you see anything like bearish engulfing pattern or anything like that, that will give you the confirmation that the resistance is still valid. You can take a sell position. Why? Because see, you can see that this is the Fibonacci 23.6%, and this level has also seen price rejection from above previously, and we also have the 50 moving average. So we have three factors that are pointing towards a reversal from this level here. If it happens, definitely we can take a sell position, because we have also seen the chart of DXY that it is standing at the support, and the support for Euro USD is still 1.0000, because as I have already mentioned that the central banks will not let Euro USD fall below this level easily. They will try to hold the level, they will try to hold the pride of euro at least. Okay, so if market breaks this level also, you must be very careful. Okay, you must observe the market for some time. Do not take a sell position immediately if Euro USD breaks it. Okay, so if you find that after some time, let's say after 1 hour or 30 minutes, if you see that the selling is still continuing in the market, okay, then only you should take a sell position. Otherwise, you will see some stop loss hunting again, and SL hunting is a bitter reality of the market. To save yourself from stop loss hunting, you should give some time to the market whenever there will be a breakout in the market, especially when it comes to important or critical levels like 1.0000 level. Okay, and not much things to discuss again, because I was looking at the articles and experts are of the opinion that Euro USD will be testing the level of 1.0100. They are of the opinion that market will test and market will reverse. Let's wait and watch. I'll be coming down on Monday and we will discuss again. Okay, let's wait for the market opening. The market opening will be very important for traders. Bye bye, take care. Please follow proper risk management. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Keep in mind, capital is the most important thing for a trader. Please protect your hard-earned money and please protect your capital. Okay, bye bye, take care. See ya on Monday again.